All right, let's install Anaconda on Windows. First, search for it. You want to pick the individual edition, and you've got to scroll way, way down when you get to this page. And let's see, I think I scrolled too far. I got to the bottom. Let's go back up, and there it is, Windows. I'm working on a 64-bit Windows system, so I'll download that. And it's 500 meg, so it takes a little bit of time, so I'm going to zoom forward to it being done downloading. And it's going to be down there in the bottom left-hand corner of your Chrome browser when it finishes downloading. And we're going to double-click on it and run it and install it. And Anaconda takes a while to install, so there's going to be a bunch of places where I'm going to skip forward in time in this install. But I clicked on it, hit run when it prompts you, and after a second it'll say verifying, and then we're going to go through next, accept the license. I just set it up for just me to use it since I'm the user of this computer. That path where it says C users Philip Anaconda 3 is going to be important because that's what we have to put in Visual Code here in a little bit. And I kind of like it in the path. I don't have anything else I'm doing on this computer. So it is going to install it. And this is the quick part of the install when it goes zooming across. And eventually it's going to start putting in packages. And that would be, right there. This takes a while. So now via the wonders of time travel, and it finally finished installing. Yes, it's faster here, and I clicked finish. A little bit of time travel there. I think it took about 12 minutes on my system to run that. So I told it to open the tutorial. There's actually a nice tutorial in using it. I highly recommend the tutorial and the quick start guide that comes from Anaconda, but that's not what we're going to be working with. Okay, I'm in my home directory, and I'm moving over to the Anaconda 3 directory where it installed. And I'm going to do an ls, which lists the directories in the file or directory. And there is a one there that is said python.exe. I'm actually going to run it by doing python. You might have to do ./python depending on if you check that box that says put it in the path. And some other things like did you start a new shell. So I started up a new shell, changed directories, and the shell I'm using is actually git bash. We're going to also install that so you have access to git. And there is the window that we're interested in having, the Python shell. And at this point, I'm going to run a little program and make certain that it works. The particular program is the one that you have for the homework, which is Hello World.